Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to be covering on how to add large numbers. So I already made a video on how to add decimals with decimals or mixed numbers and decimals. It's kind of the same way, but it's a bit different. So let's just get straight into the video and straight into the examples where we have with number 1 we have 6,482 plus 3,759. So as you can see here, just like the decimals, we line them up. So we're going to line them up and I'm going to show you how to add large numbers together. So let's start by lining them up like this. We have 6,482 plus 3,759. So, as you can see, you have to line it up correctly, or else your answer is going to be not correct. So, we're going to be adding all of this up. So, we are starting with, let me just move this down a little bit, like this, and the plus symbol also. So, we're starting with the right. We have 2 and 9. We have to add the numbers from top to bottom, from the right to the left. I'm going to show you why this is very important to know why we're going from right to the left and from the top to the bottom. So let's start with 2 plus 9. We know that 2 plus 9 equals 11, so we can write the 1 right here. But we have to carry over the 1 from the 11 over here, because else you're going to get a false answer. So now we have this. We have three numbers now. We have 1, 8, and 5. We need to add all of them together. So we have 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 plus 5 equals 14. And yes, you guessed it. You just write the 4 down here and again carry over the 1 to the next one. So now again we have three numbers. 1, 4, and 7. So we just add these up again. We get 1 plus 4 equals 5 plus 7 equals 12. So again, we just write the 2 here and carry over the 1 again. Also, you can cross these off if you have used them, but it doesn't really matter, but maybe it'll be easier for you to understand the problem. So now we have 1, 6, and 3. So we add them up. 1 plus 6 equals 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now for this one, as you can see, we don't have any space to carry over the 1 of the 10, so we can just write the 10 down like this. And this will be our final answer of the first example. 10,241. So now let's jump in straight to the second example. So for the second example, as you can see, we have very large numbers. We have 400,050. Wait, how do I say this? 452,137 plus 89,684. So again, we're gonna line them up and then just add them together. So it's the same thing, but with a bit more numbers and a bit more steps included. So we have 452,137 plus 289,684. Now we're going to add these two up. Again, let's move this down a little so we have enough space to do this right over here. So now we just have to add these up the exact same way we just did. So we start from the right and from top to bottom. So we have 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 equals 11. So we write the 1 down here and carry over the 1 to the next. So now we have 1 plus 3 equals 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 equals 12. again, we write the 2 down here and we carry over the 1. Now we have 1. Oh yeah, let's cross these off so we don't get confused. So now we have 1 plus 1 plus 6. So 1 plus 1 equals 2, of course, plus 6 equals 8. For this one, we don't have to carry anything over because it's under the 10. Let's cross this one off, put the comma right here, and go over to the next numbers. So we have 2 plus 9. This, as we know, will equal 11. So again, we put the 1 right here, we carry over the 1 over here, and now we can add these three up. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 plus 8 equals 14. So again, we write the 4 over here and carry over the 1. Let's cross this one off and go over to the last addition. We have 1 plus 4 equals 5, plus 2 equals 7. So this will be our final answer. 741,821. So this was basically the video, guys, on how to add large numbers together. I also will make a video on how to subtract large numbers, so keep tuned if you want to learn how to subtract large numbers. I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment if you'd like, and I will see you guys in the next one.